how to adjust screen timeout on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. To adjust your screen timeout on your iPhone, you'll need to open up your settings and then scroll down, and then you'll need to find the display and brightness. Tap on it, scroll down and look for auto lock. So tap on it, and then there you'll find various options like 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes to even never. So you can set it to any option that you want. You can set it to 5 minutes. I personally recommend 5 minutes. It gives me enough time without the screen going blank too quickly. But feel free to pick whichever option works best for you. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your screen timeout settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.